Good morning. Good morning, students. So today I will teach you the page number 58 in your grammar book review 3. Actually, I have taught you the last 3 chapters: sentences, capital letters, and in, on, under. Okay, so in, on, under, you know that. In, on, under, I will again tell. But first, sentences also, how it is sentence statements where we can give that full stop. Sentences should have a full stop or question mark, and also it is having some also doing words or verb. And next one, that sentence, now we are having some statement and questions, and capital letter where we should use. Capital letter we should use in that first letter of the sentence. After full stop, also first letter of the sentence, the name of the person, name of the pet animal, name of the rivers, name of the mountains, name of the months. Page number, Shubhacha, I have told you page number 58. So name of the month, name of the festivals also, name of the day. So these things I have just done, and today I'll revise. Underline the doing words. Underline the doing words. Number A. The animals were playing hide and seek. Okay. So number A, number 1, 2, if I am giving, you can understand. I am just making it number, please write it, underline it. Were playing. Were playing. Next, number 2. Dumpy deer counted. C-O-U-N-T-E-D, counted. Number 3. He looked for the animals here. He looked for the animals here. Number 4. From counted 1 and 10 and also came out. Okay, came out, that is also another thing. He looked for the animals here and there. Then he looked up and down. Again looked. Number 5. He wondered where they had gone. Wondered. Wondered and also had gone. The same sentences. Number 6. Now he felt angry. So felt. Number 7. Number 7, when the bell rang, all the animals came out from the hiding place. So, rang and all the animals came out. Okay? Came out, only came. Number 8, they laughed at Dumpy deer. So, laughed at. Only laughed. So from first sentence we can underline it. Were playing. Next sentence counted and came. Third sentence looked. Fourth sentence also looked. Fifth sentence wandered and had gone. Sixth sentence felt. Seventh sentence rang and came. Eighth sentence laughed. Okay. So we can go to the next, number C. Here, one thing they have given. Cross the wrong word. Number B. Cross the wrong word. Sushil the house robot. The meaning is The house robot's name is Sushil because Whoever is Sushil, that also is the house robot. Walk or walks fast, but make or makes a lot of noise. Here, that is third person singular number. So, which one is right? Sushil Robert, singular number? That is right. I am just telling you. And, but make or makes a lot of noise. Here, makes, that is right. But you need not to do these things. You can cross it. Work, that is be plural number, cross it and make. First one, that we should do. Okay? Shibanita, but I have written page number 58. Okay? Here I have written page number 58. So, first one, I can rub it. So, whatever that is, cross the wrong words. So, first one, number 1. Second one, Joe. Joe also singular number. So, right is Joe mends our shoes. He polish or polishes them also. He is or are. Obviously, he polishes. That is right one. He is a friendly person. But which one? Wrong one. So, mend. We can cross it. Polish. We can cross it. And obviously, are, we can cross it. Whenever you will read the question properly. If you don't understand, now you can ask me, ask your parents and whoever is there, whoever your elder. But please read the question properly. Here, so cross the wrong words. So wrong words, Joe mends wrong words, polish wrong words, are is the wrong words. Number 3. Aditya do or does his homework neatly. Does is the correct. So do, we can cross it. All his teachers is or are happy with. All his teachers, obviously that is plural number. So is, we can cross it. Number 4. My father has or have a rich music library. Okay, Shubhecha, you have done. Okay, thank you. I have just seen it. You will do this. Okay, revise it. Father has or have a rich music library. My father has, obviously. So, have we can cut. Then he listens to music. He listen. That is also cross. Okay. Number 5. Our parrot say or says. Our parrot say or says welcome whenever some guest. Obviously says. So says. So number 5. Say. We can cross it. And whenever some guest, they are plural. So guest come. So comes, we can cross it. So here wrong one, we can cross it. Please, whenever you are free for that after the class, you will just read this one and you can learn by yourself. I have told you, but again you will read whenever it is it correct for you or not? Okay? Then if you understand, it will be okay, it will be very good. If you don't understand, you will ask your parents or to me. Okay, next day again I will discuss. Number C. Fill in the blanks with in, on, under or near. Number C. In, on, under. I am just telling it. Here, in, you know that is called prepositions. On, some touched things. Under, I think you can remember, I have already told you, and also near. Okay. So that is called prepositions, and also that is the position of the noun. Any things where we are placing these things. So here it is a Sunday morning. We can read the page. Keshav is, number 1, in his room. He sits on the sofa. Switches, this is number 2. Number 3, the sofa is near the window. Number 4, outside some pigeons are flying in the sky. Number 5, they are making a lot of noise. There is a mango tree in front means just front. In our front, in Keshav's house, a sparrow is sitting on a branch. There is a bench under the tree. Under the tree. Number 7. An old man is sitting on it. He is reading a newspaper. So I think you can understand. Here you can see that picture. Look at this picture. That picture, from that they have written a compositions. That is called picture composition. Obviously you have done in your class KG. That is not like this type of difficult, but also easiest composition you have done. Now I am just telling the capital letters. I will not do, but again I am telling the capital letters where you can use. Next day I will do the class for the capital letters. Today just I am telling that. Capital letters where we can use. First letter of the sentences. First letter of the sentences means next sentence also after full stop. Whenever the question will be starting, that and the sentence will be starting, that also first letter of the sentences, capital letter. Second, name of the person, name of the places, means school name, town's name, residential buildings name, all these will be the capital letter. And also the person's name I told, and festival's name. The name of the day, like Sunday to Monday, I have told also. Month, January to December. And name of the mountain, name of the river, all these are capital letter. These sentences, these things I'll do in your class. And also another thing, next class I'll do another things, put a full stop and question mark. So where we can put full stop? If the question is statement, you can ask me, what is statement, man? Just I am giving information to you. If I am telling that you are a good student, all the class 1 students are very regular, most of the students are very regular students. They are doing the online classes very nicely. So that is the statement, some information I am giving to you. But if I am telling, how is your exam? So that is the question. That time we are asking that question mark. So full stop and question mark. I think you have understood. I can tell that, are you going to market? That time we can use the question mark. And whenever I am telling that, whenever you will go to the market, please use mask. And also, after coming from the market, you should wash your hands, face and leg properly with soap water. That is information, that is statement, something I am telling to you. I am not asking questions. If I am telling, are you going to the fair? Have you gone to the fair? You can understand what is question and what is statement, means where we can put the full stop, where we can put the question mark. Sentence already you have read. So next these two, D and E, tomorrow YouTube class I will do this. Just I am telling, if you try this without help, without taking help from your parents, please try it and do it. And if there is a mistake, after just getting the class, you can revise it and correct it. Besides that also, if you are having any problem, please ask me. Okay, beta, thank you. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Let me see who are in your class. Priyankshi Kundu, Rishi Ghoshal, Shagun Hasda, Shania Yashmin, Sharonna Datta, Shibanita Chatterjee, Sridatri De, Parvez Rahman, Sheikh Riyad, Suzana Hossain, Shovik Pal, Susheta Sarkar, Shubhecha Naik, Ujan Ghotok. Okay, beta. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.